Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable autoplay videos on Twitter, whether you're using it on your cell phone or on your PC with the new update. Let's get started. First, open your Twitter account and navigate to the home page. Next, click on the More icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open up a menu with different options. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Then, choose Accessibility, Display, and Languages from the list of options. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various settings related to how Twitter looks and functions. Next, click on Data Usage to manage how much data Twitter uses while you're scrolling through your feed. This is where you'll find the autoplay settings. Click on Autoplay and then select Never from the drop-down menu. This will disable autoplay videos on your Twitter feed, giving you more control over what content you're exposed to. And that's it. You've successfully disabled autoplay videos on Twitter. Now you can browse your feed without being bombarded by videos that start playing automatically. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy tweeting.